In 1776, a group of colonies with no army, no money, and no unity challenged the most powerful empire on Earth and somehow changed the world forever. Long before the United States existed, this land was home to millions of Native Americans, living in hundreds of tribes such as the Cherokee, Iroquois, Apache, and Sioux. They had complex societies, trade networks, and deep spiritual connections to the land. In 1492, European history collided with the Americas when Christopher Columbus, sailing for Spain, reached the Caribbean. This opened the door to European exploration, colonization, and devastating diseases that wiped out large portions of the native population. By the early 1600s, European powers began settling North America. In 1607, England founded Jamestown, its first permanent colony. In 1620, the Pilgrims arrived on the Mayflower, settling at Plymouth in search of religious freedom. Over time, 13 British colonies formed along the East Coast. These colonies grew economically, but were tightly controlled by Britain through taxes and trade laws. Colonists paid taxes but had no representation in British Parliament, leading to rising anger. In 1775, tensions exploded into war. 1 year later, on July 4, 1776, the colonies declared independence. Thomas Jefferson drafted the Declaration of Independence, arguing that all men are born with natural rights, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Against all odds, the colonies defeated Britain in 1783, led by George Washington, who became the nation's first president in 1789. Soon after, the U.S. Constitution was written, creating a federal government with checks and balances. During the 1800s, the United States expanded westward. This expansion brought opportunity for some, and tragedy for others. Native Americans were forcibly removed from their lands, most famously during the Trail of Tears in the 1830s. At the same time, the nation was deeply divided over slavery. Southern states depended on enslaved labor, while northern states pushed for abolition. These tensions erupted into the American Civil War in 1861. President Abraham Lincoln led the Union. In 1863, he issued the Emancipation Proclamation, declaring freedom for enslaved people in Confederate states. The war ended in 1865, preserving the Union and abolishing slavery, but leaving deep wounds. By the late 1800s, America entered the industrial age. Cities grew, factories expanded, and millions of immigrants arrived seeking opportunity. The U.S. emerged as a rising global power. In the 20th century, the United States fought in World War I and World War II. After World War II, it became one of the world's two superpowers, alongside the Soviet Union, leading to the Cold War, a decades-long struggle between democracy and communism. The 1960s brought major social change. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. led the civil rights movement, fighting to end racial segregation and discrimination through nonviolent protest. In 1969, the United States achieved one of humanity's greatest milestones when Neil Armstrong walked on the moon, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The late 20th and early 21st centuries brought new challenges: economic crises, terrorist attacks like September 11, 2001, and rapid technological change. Today, the United States remains a nation of contradictions, built on ideals of freedom, shaped by conflict, and constantly evolving. Its history is not just a story of power, but of struggle, debate, and the ongoing pursuit of a more perfect union. The story of America is still being written, not by kings or empires, but by its people.